Ganga-Brahmaputra Basin. Ganga-Brahmaputra plains stretch in an east-west direction between the Himalayas in the north and Peninsula Plateau in the south. This riverine plain, extending for over 2,500 kilometers, lies in the south of the Himalayas. These plains have been formed by three rivers: the Indus, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. The formation of this extensive plain can be attributed to two river systems, the Indus and the Ganga-Brahmaputra. The Gangetic Plains include the states of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. In the lower reaches, these rivers have formed the biggest delta of the world, Ganga-Brahmaputra Delta. Ganga-Brahmaputra Basin has a rich layer of alluvial soil, and due to the deposition of alluvial soil, Ganga-Brahmaputra Basin has become most fertile.
Satluj and Ganga River Basin. The northern plains have three important rivers: the Satluj, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. They divide the plains into three river basins. A river basin is an area watered by a river and its tributaries. The three river basins in India are Satluj River Basin, Ganga River Basin and Brahmaputra River Basin. Satluj River Basin. The Satluj and the Beas flow in the southwest direction. They join the Indus River in Pakistan. The Indus flows into the Arabian Sea. Punjab and Haryana lie in the Satluj Basin. The Bhakra Dam has been built on the Satluj River. It provides water for irrigation. Electricity is also produced at the Bhakra Dam. Punjab and Haryana are the two states which get water and electricity from the Bhakra Dam. Ganga River Basin. The Ganga River originates as Bhagirathi from the Gangotri Glacier in the Himalayan mountains. It flows at a high speed from the mountain slopes. On its way down, it is joined by the rivers Mandakini and Alaknanda. These three rivers combine to form the Ganga. Ganga enters the northern plains near Rishikesh. The Yamuna River, which is the main tributary of the Ganga, also starts from the Himalayas. There are a number of rivers which flow from the Himalayas and join the main stream of the Ganga. These include the Ghagra, Gomti, Gandak and Kosi. The Yamuna joins Ganga at a place near Allahabad. This place is called Sangam. There is another tributary, Son, that joins the Ganga near Patna. The Ganga flows through the states of Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. After reaching West Bengal, it is diverted towards south and splits into several branches. Many of them join the Brahmaputra River after passing through Bangladesh, our neighboring country. In West Bengal, the Ganga flows slowly and splits into two branches, the Hooghly and the Padma. The branch of the Ganga in Bangladesh is known as Padma. The Hooghly is the main branch of the Ganga in India. It flows through West Bengal. Kolkata, the capital of West Bengal, is situated on the banks of the Hooghly. Brahmaputra River Basin. The Brahmaputra is the longest of the three rivers of North India. It starts in Tibet, where it is called Sangpo. It enters India through Arunachal Pradesh and flows through Assam before entering Bangladesh. The Ganga and the Brahmaputra, before falling into the Bay of Bengal, form the largest delta in the world. It is called Sundarbans. A delta is low-lying, flat area found at the mouth of a river and is formed of deposits of alluvium brought by the river. Many cities exist along the banks of these rivers. Some of the important cities include Delhi along Yamuna, Kolkata along Hooghly, and Kanpur, Allahabad, Patna, Varanasi along Ganga. Many goods are produced in the factories which are located in these cities. But the harmful waste from these factories are discharged into the river. This makes the river water dirty. It becomes unfit for drinking and other uses. The government has started a project to clean the Ganga river and prevent its further pollution. This is known as the Ganga Action Plan. The plains of the Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers have been inhabited by people since early times. The states of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and National Capital Territory of Delhi lie in this region. Parts of Assam also lie in this region.